utilizing information technology to battle COVID-19 crisis. The idea is to build an app which will help the authorities in problem-free and efficient implementation of the lockdown. The primary aim of this app is to provide the authorities with accurate and reliable data on the issues faced by the people. The basic idea is that each area will be divided into divisions based on the population. Each division will have a volunteer. The approximate ratio will be 1 volunteer for 80 to 100 houses. The people of that area need to register in the app. After registering, they have the option to list their issues based on the categories available in the app. After the complaint is issued in the app, the volunteer of that particular area will get this data. Based on the issue, the volunteer will verify the issue either by calling the person or by any other means appropriate. The volunteer will then update the issue on the app's database and the authorities will receive this data on an hourly basis. Some of the problems faced during this pandemic are that we do not have accurate data regarding the health of the people. Daily wage workers and poor people are facing huge economic problems. Few people are even violating government lockdown. How we propose to solve this problem is by appointing one volunteer for a group of houses. We can have accurate data about the problems of the people. We are providing employment to the people by appointing them as volunteers. We can also brief the authorities about the areas where the lockdown is not being followed properly. Now let's talk about the application. The application will have two interfaces. One is for the families where they can raise their complaints and ask for any assistance from our volunteers. The other one is for our volunteers where they will get a list of all these queries and complaints. The volunteers may get queries such as which are the stores open nearby, which are the hospitals open nearby, how to get the COVID test done, or related to any other information regarding this ongoing pandemic. They need to resolve the queries and verify the complaints. After that, they will have to update it on our app. Now, the process of selecting the volunteers is fairly simple. An online application can be published where people can apply. Then screening is done, and on the basis of screening, the volunteers are selected. The Google Maps API will be added to the application. This will help in tracking the live location of the volunteers and the users. This will add an extra layer of protection to the app. This app can be used even after the pandemic ends. The model that we have proposed here can be used for better governance and for increasing the transparency between the people and the government. This was our idea, which we believe will help in solving the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. This is our team. We feel very lucky to be mentored by Mrs. Amita Jaju ma'am.